Samsung has exploded higher plus 8.97% to $322,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 10th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a cautious session across financial markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.26%, at $7,386.65. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 dipped minus 1.12% to $29,084. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. S&P 500, NASDAQ rally as chip stocks rebound, CryptoRank. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $50,872, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX dipped minus 1.32% to $24,433. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 is down minus 1.41%, trading at $10,227. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.97% to $322,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC plunged minus 4.36% to $1,311.40 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Apple made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.64% to $290.55. Equity markets are responding to reports that Apple stock rises after Q2 earnings top estimates on strong iPhone, China sales, Yahoo Finance. Microsoft dropped sharply minus 2.02% to $403.41. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $91.83 per barrel, down 2.57% on the session. This comes as US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude dropped sharply to $88.70 per barrel, down 2.85% on the session. This comes as US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas slipped to $3.14, down 0.29% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold dipped to $4,284.80 per troy ounce, down 1.18% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold drops 4.3% in June as safe haven appeal wanes, MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $341,320 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, gaining 0% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, gaining 0% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.17, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears. Stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals. TradingView. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.